Hi everyone, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson you will learn NumPy array slicing. So what is the meaning of slicing arrays? Slicing in Python programming language means taking items or elements from one given index to another given index. We just display a set of elements from index to another one. And remember that the first element has the index 0, the second element has the index 1, and so on. Let's go ahead to see this in action. In this case, we have a one-dimensional array and it has 6 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, all of them inside square brackets. The main shape of the array. And we printed all the items from the index 1 to the index 4, and the index 4 not included here, which has 5 as a value. Only from the index 1, from the second item in this array, which has 2 as a value, to the fifth element. And the fifth element that has the index 4 is not included. Always, the output includes the start index, but excludes the end index. Let's take another example. For slicing elements from index 3 to the end of the array. The element that has the index 3 in our array is equal to 4. The program started from this element to the end of the array. Just we put 3 followed by a colon inside square brackets after the name of the array. Let's take another example to slice elements from the beginning to a given index. In this case, the program displayed all the items from the first one to the index 3, but the element that has the index 3 is not included here. We got 1, 2, and 3, the first 3 items, inside square brackets. The result from the slicing operation creates a new array, as is evident. Also, you can use the negative indexing in the slicing operation. And you should know that the last item has the index -1, the second last item has index -2, and so on. Simply, the minus sign operator is used to refer to an index from the end of the array. Let's take a simple example. In this example, the program sliced from the index 4 from the end to the index 1 from the end. And the item that has the index -1 or the index 1 from the end is not included here in this process. So the last item is not included here. In addition to the starting index and the end index, you can use the step value to determine the step of the slicing. Let's take a simple example to return every other element from the index 1 to the index 4. The starting value is the index 1, the end value is the index 4, and the step value is equal to 2. This is used to return every other element from the index 1 to the index 4 in our array. This is for the one-dimensional array.